theme for the video. Okay. Hello, everyone out there. Internet. Yeah, I guess the internet. A friend of mine said I should start vlogging. So I said, yeah, sure, I'll give that a whirl. So here I am, whirling it. I'll find a better verb for that later. I should probably introduce myself. My name's Taryn. 19. I live in Edmonton, Alberta, which is in Canada, which I'm sure everyone knows. I go to university. I'm doing journalism, so this is educational. Don't you love it when you're trying to describe yourself to people and then you realize just how boring you are? I guess, you know, I could just... Stuff on my desk. Let's start there. Probably get into some of my cool personality quirks with that. I got this. Oh, and before I continue, yes, this was a My Drug Kitchen hoodie. Hannah Hart. Shout out! Okay. She doesn't even know me. Flask. You know, comes with shot glasses, so I am prepared for everything. I got one of these. It's Yahtzee. I'm Dr. Yahtzee. This is also Yahtzee. Ooh, yeah. So, if you look kinda that way, it's a little Smurf village. No judging! I am eating a muffin I got from Tim Hortons. It is something raspberry, I don't know, but it's f***ing delicious. Let's see what's going on the media networks. Twitter. Nothing going on Twitter, okay. Tumblr. I get a lot of stuff from Doctor Who and Sherlock and Supernatural, and then there's just a bunch of crap from Tom Hiddleston. Okay, so here's something. I got that Flappy Bird thing. Like, this is the most frustrating game I think I've ever encountered in my entire life. Like, my high score is 7. Mother. Nah! I will get a high score of 10 on here one day because I'm not gonna let that freaking hamburger with wings beat me. It's one way to eat a muffin. This was fun. Just do it again. It's okay. Am I an important member of society? Freaking corners. Definitely not.